You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words, the singular and the plural, of the word metamorphosis. Metamorphosis. The stress is on the more syllable, sorry. Metamorphosis. Okay, so that's the singular. Now the plural, that's your bottom word here with the E in the spelling at the end, is pronounced as metamorphoses. So you have a C's sound at the end, okay? So rather than a S sound, it's a C's, alright? With a Z sound at the end and a long E sound. Singular, metamorphosis. Plural, metamorphoses. Did you get the difference? Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.